In this video, you'll learn how to effectively sell coaching packages on Stan Store. This guide explains the complete process from adding your product to publishing it for your clients. Begin by navigating to the My Store section within your Stan Store account. Look for the option labeled My Store on the main dashboard. Once you click on that, you will be directed to your store management interface. Next, locate the button labeled Plus Add Product. This button is usually positioned prominently on the page. Click on it to initiate the process of adding a new product to your store. After that, select Coaching Call as the type of product you want to create. This option will guide you through the specific settings and fields relevant to coaching packages. Now enter the product name in the designated field. For example, you might type one coaching package. Make sure the name accurately reflects what you are offering, as this will be visible to potential clients. Proceed to write a short description of your coaching package. Include details about what's included in the package, such as the number of sessions, topics covered, and the benefits your clients can expect. This information is crucial for attracting buyers. Set the price for your coaching package in the specified field. Consider your target market and the value you're providing when determining the price. Ensure that it is competitive yet reflective of the quality of your service. If you have any supporting files or resources such as worksheets or guides, this is the time to upload them. Look for an option that allows you to attach files and follow the prompts to select and upload your documents. Keep in mind that larger files may take longer to upload, depending on your internet speed. Next, configure the availability and with scheduling options for your coaching calls. This will typically involve selecting specific days and times when clients can book their sessions. Make sure your availability aligns with your personal schedule. Once you have completed all these steps, review all the information to ensure it is accurate. Look for any confirmation messages or indicators that everything is set up correctly. After confirming the details, click the Publish button to make your coaching package live in your store. This action will allow clients to view and purchase your package immediately. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.